Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys a little a tiny little haul slash brand review. This brand called TIJN. I did hear one person pronounce it as TIJN, but I'm not sure, so can the brand please step up? Because you know how like Loewe made that video of like how to pronounce Loewe, and they like made it funny, and they made fun of how like different people pronounce it. It's like, I want to know how to pronounce it, or is it literally TIJN? Anyways, Black Friday just happened and I wanted to get myself a few little accessories. I just filmed a haul, so if you're wondering why I'm wearing this inside, after the haul I started like trying on all my clothes, and I'm like, you know what, we're gonna film this video in my fur coat, okay? One of my resolutions for next year is to start wearing my clothes more, because I feel like I always save them for like a special occasion, but like every day is a special occasion if you are alive. So not to get so deep on you, but okay, so I got these two new glasses from this brand, TIJN, I don't know, TIJN. This is how they come packaged. So if you're not familiar, before I get into the unboxing, if you're not familiar with like trends right now, Miu Miu came out with these little spectacles, and they're super tiny, like 90s inspired frames, and so this brand, they made sort of a dupe if you will, and so that is what I purchased here. I purchased a blue light and then sort of like a sunglassy light tinted version, but I'll unbox those with you. Okay, so I don't know which is which, so I'm just gonna start with this one. This one looks more fun. We'll save the best for last. Hopefully this is the cuter one. Well, they're both cute, but okay, so this is what it looks like. And like, you know how like some brands, like you find them on Instagram, they'll pop up, but you don't know if it's like one of those sketchy brands where like your things never show up. I can confirm that they are not sketchy. They showed up. So okay, so we open up the box. This is what is inside. Oh, that's really cute. So it came with the lens cleaner cloth, and then inside were the glasses in this neutral little case. So cute. Okay, I could like pop these in my bag. I just got a lot of bags too. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, these seem like they are the like tinted version, like the little sunglass version. Nice case holder. Okay, I wish I knew how to pronounce you guys so I can like be like, okay, tinged. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so these are like the little Miu Miu inspired sunglasses. They have like a super light tint. I don't know if you can see against my skin, but they're super duper light. They're not like really, probably won't be wearing these like when it's super sunny, but do we like? Do I like? Because I do have sort of a bigger head, which is why I was a little hesitant to purchase these. I think these are called the Elisa, but I was a little hesitant to purchase because I have a bigger head, so I don't know if, you know, like sometimes people with really small heads wear really big sunglasses and the proportions do not look good, and then vice versa, people with really large heads wear really small sunglasses, and then you can kind of see like the stem like kind of poking out, and it's like that just does not fit your proportions. I don't know. So I kind of do like them. Like I kind of like feel like I look a little cool. Like a cool girl, no? I don't know, what do we think? So these are like the Miu Miu little spectacles. I think I kind of like them. We'll see. Okay, so then I got the same thing. So this is the first pair. And they don't feel like super heavy, they feel really lightweight, but for the price, like you get what you pay for. But overall presentation and like the care materials that come with it, I think this is really good for like how much they were. I'm pretty sure they were like under $30. And then this is like the tortoise shell. Bringing it back to the old days. Can you see? Yeah. And then this is what the front looks like. Hey. And then I'm just gonna show you the reflection, just so you get a good up close look at them. One more time on my face. I think I kind of like it. Maybe if I'm like with my hair like down against my face so it doesn't look like too off proportions, because I feel like if I have my hair pulled back, my face is too wide for them. But like with my hair covering the sides of my face, it kind of elongates and makes it a little slimmer looking. Okay, I think we like these. Okay, so far I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. Especially like the price point, and I really don't like to spend a lot on sunglasses, especially because one too many times example, I went jet skiing in the summer and I had these really cute Ray-Bans, and they're like $100 and something, or like maybe even close to $200. And I put them in the jet ski case, the little case that holds your like valuables and like keeps them from getting wet. And I returned the jet ski and I left my sunglasses in there, and then I was on vacation, so I left. Like, it was the last day, I left and I didn't go back for them. It was just like a whole hot mess, okay? And like, that's on me, but I just feel like in general, because sunglasses is something that you can lose, I'd rather not spend an arm and a leg on them, and I'd rather just get like dupes like these. So 9 out of 10, I like these. Okay, the second pair is like the blue light glass, the blue light glass version, blue light glasses version. Jesus. And they come in this cool little case here. And so we open that up. Ooh, this box is cooler. Is that there? I was gonna say another logo. That's so cool. Opens it up, so it's like a tri-fold. Oh, and another cute little case. Okay, I like the consistency, because sometimes like, if like, I don't know if you've ever ordered Amazon glasses, but like you can order from the same brand and it'll be like one is covered with plastic, one comes actually with a case. Like, I like the consistency here, so cases for everyone. And then another lens cleaner here. Like I said, this is the blue light glass version. Cute! So this is more probably like, as the other ones are not like so like the Miu Miu ones, because the Miu Miu ones actually are like super tinted, like you can wear them as glasses. Those are like a lighter tint, but these would definitely be like the dupe for the Miu Miu glasses. And I'm not sure, like, why is it that brands will only put the plastic on one? Is it just to, like, I'm not sure why that is. Just one? Okay. Or maybe they were returned. I don't know. Okay, so this is the second pair. It looks the same exact way as the first pair does, and they're super lightweight. They're kind of bendy. I'm a little scared that the lens might pop out. I hope that doesn't happen. Oh, she is studious, she is educated, she's legally brown. It's giving I can get into Harvard too. Okay, no, I really like these. These are super cute. They're very chic. Like I was saying, I was really scared these weren't gonna fit my face shape, but I think if I'm wearing my hair down, because when I wear my hair down it slims my face a bit, I think that these will be appropriate for me to keep. These are so cute. Cute little Miu Miu dupe, okay? So chic. I love accessories. And this is a good way to accessorize. Also, with the amount of screen time these days, this is like perfect because it's a blue light. And then I did see in one of the reviews someone actually using a blue light and putting like the blue light through the lens, and there was barely any blue light coming out of the other side. So that's why I actually ended up completing my purchase, because of that little review someone left. And I'm always on my phone, always on my computer at work. These are super cute. Oh my god, to accessorize with my like blazers. I can't can't wait. This is so cute. Okay. I would give these a 10 out of 10. I just hope the lenses don't like pop out. I hope it's not like that type of like lightweight material, you know, like when it's like so lightweight that it just like is like wobbly, and but they feel good. I'm gonna give this pair a 10 out of 10 and the other pair a 9 out of 10. But I really like them. They're so cute. Okay, well, that's my review. And I just love the little case. You gotta give everybody a chance. But they've been around for a while, I'm pretty sure. Like, I think I saw this brand like back in like maybe like 2015, 2016, like when I was in like my blogger phase. And they like kept up with all the trends, and like now we're at this point in time and here we are. Miu Miu dupe. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna try maybe another pair soon and see how we like. But yes, that was my review of the brand TIJN. I don't know how to pronounce your guys' brand name, so I'm so sorry ahead of time. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.